So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. And in this quick tutorial, we're gonna discuss how you can set up the custom quick replies that you do whenever you're calling with someone. If someone is calling you when you cut the device or you cut the call, you are going to send this a particular message which are by defaultly set. You can change them and set a custom by default quick reply message as well. So in order to do that, if it is very convenient that if you are using your smartwatch, you can directly cut the call and send the quick message to someone from your smartwatch as only. So you need to just simply download the NoiseFit mobile application. If you are using your device for a long time, you all have been familiar with this mobile application. You need to log in with your device on this particular mobile application. You need to pair your smartwatch. Once you do that, now this is the home page. You all have been seen this, or you all have been familiar with this if you are using your watch constantly. Here on the most below of the list, you're going to find 4 5 options. You need to click on this option of my device. When you click there, you need to scroll down until here you're gonna find this option of quick replies. This is the basic settings of your device only. It may be different for your device, but the most interface is going to be same. You need to click on this option of you need to click on this option of quick reply. Just simply click there, and from here you're gonna see the 5 default options of quick reply. You can either add another you need to remove some of the quick reply. For example, if I remove this and save changes, now I can add another quick reply as well. I can type anything I want. Let's say I type hello and just simply hit save. Now whenever I cut a call, I get a option of sending quick replies, and my custom message is going to be there only. So I just need to hit save changes, and once it's done, you can see whenever you cut a call on your device. So by this method, you can easily set a custom quick reply on your Noise smartwatch. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.